Hey everyone, it's Angelina coming at you with another Tip Tuesday from IndySoft. And today we are going to be going over how to hide certain tabs in your version 13 new field layouts. So specifically, you are able to hide the Add Edit tab, the Order System, and Pending Work tabs. And theoretically, you could set up your home view with embedded merge items to hide any tabs that you don't need and maintain only home and equipment. So to do that, you would right click in your home layout. This would be done from the Home tab here. Right click and go to Settings. And when this opens up, you will have a number of different merge items that you can pull into the settings here and would apply. So specifically to hide these tabs, we would pull in Hide Order System, Hide Pending Work, and Hide Add Edit. Here it is. So hide Add Edit, hide Pending Work, and Order System. And these are not the only options that you have. These are just the options that are applicable to my environment, but depending on what your environment looks like, for example, if you are a cloud customer, you may have access to the KPI module and locations, which you can also hide those tabs if you would like. So I will go ahead and apply this so you can see how it will behave. And you'll see it automatically refreshed, and I only have home and equipment tabs in view and accessible now. Again, this is specific to the layout, so because this is my home layout, multi-panel, settings, this will apply. If I was on a different home layout that did not have these settings, then I would not see those hidden tabs. If you have any other questions on that, please feel free to reach out to support, and we are happy to help. Thank you and happy calibrating.